different platform for Amazon, AliExpress, and eBay. We can also use eBay. Let me check if we can find some eBay link. ebay.com. There are some different categories. There is no I can't find any link for top seller. Here in Chinese there is maybe you cannot understand, but this is for hard selling brands, so be careful about it. It's these things are branded. Don't use the branded things. Don't search branded things. There are categories, different categories. Motors, sports, home garden, deals. From here you can also get some ideas that how some good products, which products are more popular on different sites. You can search eBay, you can search AliExpress, you can use Amazon, you can use also Google to download some or search some products that are hard selling, and then use the keywords. Like here there is some drill driver, impact driver, so you can use that keywords and search the product on AliExpress. We will use AliExpress for our product selection. No, this one, no shoes, we won't sell shoes. Also bags, be careful about bags. Also they are it's very easy to violate someone else's property, intellectual property. And in afternoon someone asked about toys. If you are going to select toys, then you have to careful that don't use some toys that that use some cartoons, some animation, or some characters from movies, some cartoon characters. These things we cannot upload these products on our platform. So you can use toys, you can search for toys, but be careful, don't use the toys which have these cartoon characters or movie characters, pictures or shapes, like Mickey Mouse or some Batman, Spider-Man. This kind of toys are also not allowed. So another method we will discuss now is to find some similar business shops. We will find some shops who are doing same business like us, and we will use their products and we will copy their products and upload on our shop. How we find some similar shops and similar shops that who are doing business in one category, because that would be easy for us to copy the products, to select the products from that shop. We won't have, like if you're for example, I search some keyword here, any keywords like warm light. Oh my gosh. Warm light. You can see, and select any product. This one, anyone you want to select. This is the, here you can find store home, or you can just simply select products and can check the whether this shop is selling some products of same category, same lowest category, and maybe this shop is doing this business in one category, and then you can copy all the products from this shop. Some lamps, LED lamps, LED lights. So most of the products are similar. You can simply copy the products from this shop also. You can find other shops similar. This will help you to stay in one category, and also it would be easier and time saving, and you don't have to switch from there to there. You can just find one shop and copy the product from that shop. It's very convenient. So until now I will summarize what we learned. Where is that? If you have any question, you can ask questions. First thing, selecting lowest subcategory. And blue ocean keywords, and top selling different platform, and find stores find one category store. So until now we learned these things. Yeah, you can copy all the products from that shop, from that store, but be careful about some brand name, and also if that shop has different products from different categories, then you cannot choose all the products at one time. Like if you stay in one category, this is the key point. Whatever method you use, you need